angle OPQ with acute angle POQ is how do you say that again?
Theta, theta, theta,
Theta.
theta,
Okay.
theta. Okay, anyhow.
Okay.
Now let's see.
Uh,
Here, once again, we can say the right angle triangle is there, and this is the 90 degree. We are sure about that. It's a right angle.
yeah.
And this is theta, the acute angle that is less than 90 degree. So that must be 90 minus theta. Am I right? That
Yeah.
must be 90 minus theta. So in this way, we have the three angles. But this time you are looking for the ratios with respect to this theta. So you will have to recall that SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. So what was
Okay.
that? The recalling that SOH and then CAH. Then last one TOA. So that was the what we can say last time we were talking about that. So keeping in mind, so sine theta is, look at
Wait, what?
this,
Oh, sine is y over r,
y over
which is
r
opposite
opposite.
over the hypotenuse.
Yes, yes, absolutely right. Now the cos theta is,
The cos is adjacent, and it's the adjacent over the hypotenuse.
yes, cos is co. Tangent is,
It's opposite over the adjacent.
yes, TOA. TOA. So opposite. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. So in this way, that was just a reminder. So what type of the triangle is that? Look at this. Now, please read from here.
Okay, the trigonometric ratios, um,
Cot theta,
quotient,
cot theta,
cot theta, cot theta, sec theta, and cosec theta are the reciprocals of the trigonometric ratios tan theta, cosine theta, and sine theta.
respectively. Now, cot is, what is
Right.
cot theta?
Cot theta is 1 over tan theta, which is the reciprocal of tan theta.
Yes. Secant
And
theta
then
is,
1 over cosine theta, which is just the reciprocal. And then cosec theta is 1 over sine theta.
so coming back to the previous diagram. So what is cot theta over there? Now, from that triangle, we just go
That
back
would
to
be
this. From here, what is cot theta?
cot theta from,
This triangle.
okay, from that it would be x over y.
Absolutely right. So, cos, what you will have to do, look at this, just make the reciprocal. So, when you are
Right.
reciprocating, so x over y. So, what is the sec theta, secant theta?
The
Sec theta.
secant theta, that's, excuse me, that's gonna be, wait, secant is the opposite of, sorry, the reciprocal of cosine, right?
Yes,
So that means that it's gonna be what do you call it? Secant is gonna be r over x. I don't know
absolutely
why
right.
that's blanking.
Absolutely right. Absolutely right. So, the last one is cosecant theta, cosec theta.
That's r over y.
R over Y, absolutely right. So we can just match this. The cot theta, x over y, absolutely right. The reciprocal of the tangent, then the secant theta, that is the reciprocal of the cos theta, that is r over x, and cosecant theta, that is r over y, the reciprocal of the sine. So I'm sure that you will keep all these things in your mind all the time.
Yeah.
Anyhow, tangent theta, it follows from that the tangent theta is sine theta or cos theta. What I mean to say, tangent is basically the ratio between the two sines and cosines. What I mean to say, the tangent theta can also be written this way, sine theta or cos theta. If sine theta is there, cos theta is there, so you can find out the tangent just dividing the sine theta, whatsoever the ratio is, and that will be. For the little explanation, let me just write this one in a way that how we can make just like that. Because we know that if the sine theta is, let's suppose sine theta is y over r. So that was y over r. Sorry, y over
Okay.
r. So y over r. So that's why the tangent theta was y over r. And the cos theta was that uh, from the previous diagram, that was cos theta was x over r. So x over r. So tangent theta is, if we are just going to write in this way, that tangent theta is equal to sine theta over cos theta. So I'm
Okay.
just putting the values. Sine theta is y over r and cos is x over r. So this r is gone with this. So what we have, tangent theta is equal to y over x. Y over x is, that was the real value of what we can say the tangent theta. So that's why we can write in this way. So cosine is also the
Right.
reciprocal. So
Yeah.
cosine is also the reciprocal. That's why we can say that this can be written as just like that. So that's why we are just going to write in this way, that this was the, so this is all about that. So what I mean to say, the reciprocal of these. So look at this, the reciprocals, and next is this one. It's a once again very important thing is this we will use in this all of the questions. Prime triangle OPQ, the last one, the following complementary angles theta and 90 minus theta can also be derived. Sine 90, if you are just going to that, that is the cosine theta of that triangle.
Right.
And cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. Tan 90 is cot theta. So here what we can conclude that if we have the another angle, that was the third angle, that is 90 minus theta. So this can be written as cos, sine will become the cos. These are very important ratios. Sine 90 minus theta, that will be the cos theta. Cos
Okay.
90 minus sine theta is sine theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So in this way, the secant, cosecant is secant, secant is cosecant, cot is tangent. Are you getting this? What we are going
Yeah.
for
Yeah.
here? This is that when you are looking for the ratio of 90 minus some angle, that will be sine will be cosine and cosine will be sine. So just coming back to that triangle. So from there you will get the, you will be in a better position to get that one. Let's suppose we have this one. So look at this, this one. Okay. Now sine theta,
Okay.
you are very much sure about that. Sine theta is y over r, and cosine of this theta is x over r, and tangent of this theta is y over x. But if you are asked to find out this one, the sine of 90 minus theta, that is x over r, and x over r is cos theta. So from here you can say that the sine of this angle is equal to the cos of this angle. Are you getting this?
Yeah, I think so. Quick, could you say that again? Just so I'm making sure I heard right.
What I am saying that from this triangle, we
Right.
have the three ratios with respect to this angle. Am I right?
Right.
We
Yeah.
have three trigonometric ratios. Sine theta is y over r, cos theta is x over r, tangent theta is y over x. So all we have just brainstorming of this, that what is SOH, CAH, and TOA, whatsoever that trick was. that we were just brainstorming for this angle. So we have the three trigonometric ratios. Sine is y over this, cos is this over this, tangent is this over this. So that is all about that. We have written about that.
Okay.
Now somebody is asked
Right.
that just find out the three ratios with respect to this angle, that is 90 minus theta. So what we'll have to do, no need to be called Soha, Kaha, Toa, what I mean to say. No need to that. Just reciprocate there. You should say that this is cosine. What is cosine over here? So sine of this angle will become this, and
Right.
cos of this angle will become this, and this will become the reciprocal. What I mean to say, if we are looking for the tangent theta, tangent 90 minus theta, so the opposite and adjacent, x or y. So this will be x or y is cot theta. Are you getting this?
Okay, yeah, I think I'm getting it, yeah.
So what I mean to say, we will have to be generalize this thing that whenever, so I will have to write this thing also. So whenever we have any angle that is pi minus pi 90 or pi by 2 minus any angle alpha. So if we
Okay.
are looking for that, the sine that will be converted to cosine, and the cos of this angle pi minus pi alpha, this will be converted to sine. And similarly, the tangent of this pi minus alpha will be cot of this alpha, sine of alpha, cos of alpha, sine of alpha, and cot of alpha. Are you getting this?
Okay, yeah.
So no need to brainstorm what is that side. So you will have to just simply go for the next day. So sine will become cosine, cosine will become sine, tangent will become cotangent, cot. Okay.
Okay.
So this is
Yeah.
all what we can say, that we will have to recall these quick references and we can reach the answer very quickly over there. So anyhow,
Right.
that was about what we can say. The next, we are just touching the problem now. What I mean to say, that is now look at this. So you will have to, this time you will have to use the, what I mean to say, the pen and paper. I'm sure that you have with you just now.
Yeah.
Okay. So example one is cos theta. Just note down this value because I'm going to put it
Okay.
down. Example
Alright, let
one
me do
is
this.
cos theta is pi over 7, where theta lies between 0 and 90. Find the value of sine theta, tan theta, secant theta, sec 90 minus theta.
Okay, let's see this. Alright, where is 0 degrees? Alright.
And this is the triangle. Don't forget to make the triangle.
Oh, right, I probably should do that too. Alright. Okay.
This side is 5, this is y, this is 7. And you are looking for the.
Alright, 5, 7, y, and that's theta is right
Have
there.
you noted? Have you noted all these?
Almost.
No. You will have to note down what I mean to say. The problem. What I this
Oh,
this
okay, yeah.
you will have to
Uh,
note this all.
Alright, let me just
This
write down like the A,
this
B,
box.
C, and D.
No, this
Yeah,
box.
yeah.
And one more is that you will have to make this triangle. This one. If you have written
Okay.
these two boxes, please write down these two things only.
Okay, let me write the boxes down then.
Okay. Whatsoever in the boxes, you will have to write that.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Okay.
Theta and secant, and then 90 minus. Okay. The secant 90 degrees minus. Okay.
Make the triangle also. Make the triangle.
Yeah, I've made the triangle already.
Okay, okay. If you have done this, so it's very simple now. Please solve this one.
All right, that's what I'm gonna try doing now.
Yes, please.
Okay. All right. So sine is gonna be pretty easy. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse 7, pi over 7, then wait, oh, I messed it up. Cosine secant is 5 over 7. Adjacent, that is 5 over 7. Y over 5. Okay, 2 root 1/5. Then C is the 1 over cosine of tangent, which is 1 divided by 5. So 1 over 5 divided by 7. Which is do you want me to like simplify it? So if it's like 1 divided by 5 over 7, do you want me like to simplify that down to what would it be?
Okay. Let's see. That was what I mean to say. If you have this one, let's see. This what I have written over there. But anyhow, if we are just going to reshare this one, this was the example. This was the problem. Okay.
Oh yeah, okay.
Now you are looking. I am sure that you are looking this one. My screen.
Yeah,
That's
I'm looking at your screen. Yes.
visible to you. Now that
Yeah, I
was
can
the
see your
problem.
screen,
That
yeah.
was the problem. That if cos theta is 5 by 7, cos theta is 5 by 7. This is given, where theta lies between 90 degrees, 0 to 90 in the first quadrant. Find the value of sine theta, tangent theta, secant theta, and this. So first of all, from here, cosine theta is 5 by 7. So we will have to make the triangle. That cos is this 5 by 7. This was the first,
Right, yeah.
only one information. From here, we can find the value of y by using the Pythagoras theorem. That is y is equal
Yeah.
to 7 square minus 5 square, hypotenuse square minus the base square. So we have this.
Yeah.
So y is 2 under root 7. Sine theta is now opposite to the hypotenuse. Opposite side is this. Tangent is the opposite to the adjacent, and secant is 1 over cos reciprocal of cos.
Yeah.
And we have cos is given. So this is a 7 over 5. Then secant is cos 90. That is
Yeah.
the 1 over the reciprocal of this, 1 over the reciprocal of this. We
I
can
didn't actually get to see because I was asking you if you wanted me to simplify the
see
what do you call it? Like
which see
C.
this one, this
Yeah, I was
part.
asking. Yeah, I was asking if you wanted me to simplify a 1/5/7.
1 over 5 over 7.
I
This
was
one?
asking. Yeah, I was gonna.
Okay.
Yeah, if you
This
wanted
one,
me to
1 over
simplify.
5 over 7. So this is what we can say the double reciprocal. What I mean to say, I'm just going to do this. It's a very simple. It's we call it the double reciprocation. How? Look at this. If we have, look at this, A over B, and then there is also the fraction C over D. Okay? Then this will
Okay.
become A over B multiplied by D over C. Are you getting this?
Yeah.
D over
Okay.
C. So in this way, now if you are getting this, so we have what we have. Look at this. We have 1 over 1. I am saying 1 over 1. And
Yeah.
then
Okay.
5 over 7. Now 1 over 1 into 7 over 5. Are you getting this?
Right. Yeah.
So that's why we have 7 or 5 over here.
Okay.
Are you getting this?
That makes sense to me. Yep.
Okay. Now it's a double fraction, 1, and there is always a 1, and this is 5 over 7. So we are just reciprocating, we're getting the reciprocal. This is 7 over 5. This will become 7 over 5 over here. So this will be
Okay.
7 over 5. I'm sure that you have got all this is the matching value. Now the answers are in front of you. You have
Yeah.
this, you
I
have this,
yeah I got both of those, but I just didn't get a chance to get to D.
and D. So D is the secant. Secant mean the reciprocal of cosecant, and you know that the this 90 is what we can say, just like that. That the this
Right.
one once again the double fraction. This one.
Yeah.
So 1 over 1, and this will be 7 over 2 under root 6. So this is just like that. This was the double fraction, what I mean to say. But we have solved this. That is the real double fraction. This one, the rule. This was the rule. Can you see this?
Okay.
The double
Yeah, I
fraction
can
can
see
be
it.
converted to this way. That A over B, 1
Okay.
over 1, C over D, D over C. So this will be what we can say the second fraction. This one will be inverted. What I mean to say, this will become 7 over this, because 1 over 1 is always 1. So in this way, 7 and this, and then this will go over there. So this will become just like that, 1 over cos. So 7 over 12, and you will get this value of the secant. So anyhow, if you solve that, so we're just going to the next problem. Have you done?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, if you got it, now let's see. The same one, I am sure that now this time you will take a little time just to understand this one. Okay. Anyhow, we are just going this one. Okay. Now, given that, look at this, given that tangent theta is given and theta is an acute angle, find without use of calculator or tablets. Tables,
Okay.
what I mean to say, the cot theta and cosecant and secant. So from here, what you will have to do?
Okay. I'll do that then.
Okay, make the triangle and
Yeah.
calculate the sides, and you will have to find out cot theta, secant 90 minus theta, and secant theta. Tangent theta is given, cot is the reciprocal of that. then the secant, you know that secant is reciprocal to the cos.
Right.
So you will have to find the hypotenuse by using the Pythagoras theorem to calculate this side. R can be calculated as the square of this plus the square of this, as we have done over here.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So.
Now you have the R, so you can find out the 6 ratios.
Yeah.
But you will
Okay.
have to calculate only 3. Cot is very simple
Yeah, I
reciprocal
will.
of this. Cot is this one. Secant this angle is. You check with
All right.
this.
Square root of 5 to R, which is 3, and okay. Okay. And then B, let's see, okay. 90 degrees minus 10, alright. Then C, it's just the secant.
What type of the noise is this?
Oh, that's just the fans running in the background. It's like,
Okay.
yeah,
It's
it's
a,
pretty loud, I know.
it's a very special music. You're enjoying all this melodious sound of this fan. Anyhow.
I'm trying to ignore it for now.
Okay. So
Alright.
there are special fans over there having this much melody.
Yeah, it hasn't been cleaned in a bit, so that's probably
Okay.
why.
Anyhow, here we are at what we can say the winter, the peak of the winters over there in
Right.
Pakistan. Or there, the summer season is going on over there.
Not really. It's cold. Sorry, hot in my
Oh,
room. That's just it.
okay.
Nothing else.
So good. Now it's quite calm and cool.
Yeah, it
That
just comes
sound,
down and
that
goes up.
sound was there definitely. Anyhow, you're used to that, but what I was feeling
Yeah.
that the sound was just making me disturbed. Anyhow, it's
Yeah, it
what
sounds
we
like
are
a
doing.
jet.
Okay. This is the beauty of mathematics. That when used to be the student, we are just listening the music and doing the mathematics. So music and mathematics going hand in hand. That's a wonderful experience. That we are listening the music, we are doing the mathematics also. No need to be stopped.
Right.
But when we are going switching out to the other subjects, we cannot read, cannot understand.
Right. Yeah.
So we used to put on the music at the high volume. We are doing the mathematics comfortably and enjoy. So that's why what I am used to make the recaps of these lessons with the background music also. Have you seen those?
Right. Yeah, I've noticed that.
Last time I sent the recap video also. And for more videos, you can search the Skyhawks Academy channel on YouTube. Thousands of the videos are available over there about any topic.
Right. Yeah.
So please visit all those. All your lessons even have been over there about any topic, trigonometry, algebra, set theory, and about the other subjects is also available about the physics, science, bio, each and everything which we are going to use. We are just recap videos over there on the Skyhawks channel on YouTube. So you can visit.
1 over the cosine. Cosine is
So
adjacent.
you will have to find the only 3 values. That is the cot
Yeah.
theta. That is automatically you can find the secant of 90 minus theta in this triangle and the secant theta. So you can also look my screen if you are just going
305.
away from your calculation. So you can just rematch your calculation with my screen also. So I'm just going to,
Okay.
so the first value is simple, just reciprocal of that. Automatically we have this tangent and the cotangent will become 2 over under root 5. Am I right? This is done.
Yeah, that's what I got. Yeah.
You got it. Now the next one is this one and this one. So what we'll have to do, we will have to find the R also, the
Yeah,
hypotenuse
that's what I
of
was
this
looking
triangle.
for. Yeah.
So what is R as per your
R, I
calculation?
got is 3.
3, okay. Now just moving to the, what I mean to say, the next is the cot is, now cot is 1 over tangent. So 1 over tangent is this one. This is just the reciprocal of that. So that's why we can adjust in this way. The secant is actually the cosecant because these are the reciprocals of each other. So cosecant, the opposite of that. So 1 over sine, that is this one. And secant is 1 over cos, you know that, the reciprocal of cos. So just get the cos and invert it. If you have
Right.
all these values in this way, so it's a very good. If you are
Yeah.
feeling
I
some
just
confusion,
messed up. I accidentally forgot to what do you call it? I put this like sign and I forgot to like actually like flip it over or like put the
so
thing.
that is SOH
Yeah.
KAHTTOA. So that was a
Yeah,
magical
I
word.
just yeah.
Just keep that.
Yeah.
If you're looking for the sign SOH, and if you're looking for
Right.
cosine CAH, and then tangent OA, TOA. So, TOA. So you are pronouncing in a
Okay.
very good way. What is that?
Sokotoa.
Sokatoa. Oh, Sokatoa. So if you are just confusing, just recall this Sokatoa.
Right.
Sokatoa. That was the magical word. So we will have
Right.
to tell you the story also. But anyhow, you will have to keep this for the mind. Okay. Anyhow, have you done all these? Is there any
Yeah.
problem? Okay. We are just going to move to the next one. That is the end. And now from here, what I will have to say that we are just coming back to your book, and what we'll have to do that before solving that question number 30 from the book. You will have to solve that, and I am just going to give you the, what I mean to say, the outlines of the question. So let's check this one. So I'm just going to clear out this time. So only the one thing is that is the remainder. What I mean to say, we are just going to remind you what is that, that if uh, this one is a circle, what I mean to say, this, and if you have a center over here that is where the center approximately lies over here. What I mean to say, are you looking this?
Yeah, I'm
Hello?
looking. Yeah.
Okay. So this is a circle. Anyhow, the one more thing is we are going just going to draw it. That is this line. So this must be starting from here to this going up. And we are just going to make this one extending from here, this, okay. So one more line is that is of the different color, so that is starting from, look at this should be here, and we are just going to draw one more line that is starting from anywhere here. So this is going to the right anyhow, and this can be extended to the what I mean to say. Okay, look at this. Anyhow,
Right.
this is the what we can say the x-axis. So from here, what we can say that we have to make the three things. What I mean to say, this one is the first going over here, and then
Okay.
coming back to this one over here. What I mean to say, we are just going to start the one more line is okay. This one, this is the triangle triangle. So the next is
Right.
we will have to actually draw one more. That is that if you are just going back to over here. So once again, the triangle is just like that. If we have this one, then we will have to draw one more line. That is over here. That is the right angle to this one. Okay, now we have these two. Similarly, if you're just going back to the one more line, that is uh, this one. Okay, so uh, yes, this from here we will have to meet this line over here. So after
Okay.
trying this, you will get the answer of each and everything. So that's why I'm taking this much time just
Yeah.
to draw these. But these are the, we can say, the most clear way to get the six ratios of each and every angle. So we have
Right.
only the last one that may be of this color. Let's see this one. Okay, if you are just going to draw the line from the center of the circle to here, what I mean to say, let's suppose here. Then the one more is starting from, what I mean to say, to here to there. Okay, now we have four triangles. Okay, these are one more thing is that if we are just going to say that this is the first quadrant, first quad, and similarly, if we are saying this is the second quadrant, and here we have the third quadrant, third quad, and the last one is the fourth. Are you looking at this?
Yeah, I'm looking.
Okay, okay, quad. So here, one more thing is that we are just going to say that is the A, and that is positive. Oh, sorry. A is what I mean to say positive. And here, what is S?
A is wait. Oh,
A is,
all positive. Then sine is only positive here,
yes.
and then cosine is only positive
No, no,
here.
no,
I
no,
don't
no.
know.
Tangent is positive.
Wait.
Then
Oh, I thought. Oh, yeah, I forgot which one was. Okay, yeah, that's true.
that's right. Cos positive. So
Yeah.
keeping this. Okay. Now,
Okay.
where will be the angle? So angle is over here. If I can just draw that one. Uh, Angle is here of this triangle. Angle is over there of this. Angle is over there of this. Angle is this over there. Okay. These are the four angles.
Sure. Yeah. Okay.
Now, what we can say that if we are given the triangle, so what is the range of this angle? What I mean to say in this way, the range. Are you getting
Wouldn't
this?
it be greater
Range of
than
this angle
zero and
is
less?
Oh,
Greater
yes.
than 0 and less than 90.
Okay. So it's a 0 to 90 degree. Okay.
Yeah.
And from here, and this is from 90
This
to
one is from 90 to 180.
92, excluding the end values.
Yeah. Yeah, because they would be on the axis then.
Okay, yes. Then the next one is that 180 to over here, 180 to 180 to
270.
270, absolutely right, 270. And here, 270, what I mean to say, 270 to 360. Am I right? 360.
Yeah, you're right.
So all these measurements are in degrees. So
Yes.
from here, you can see that whatsoever over here in this way. So that is this is both the x, these values, x and y in this triangle. If I'm just going to write this is a y, just I will take time, but that will be, and this is x over here. This is x. Similarly, here we have this is y, and here this is x. Are you getting this?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Oh yes, if you are getting, so it's very absolutely right. You can say this is y and x. Similarly, this will be the y, and this is x. The x is also over there. So in every case, this will remain r. This will be the r mean the hypotenuse, or what we can say the radius of the circle.
Okay.
Are you getting this? In each and
Yeah.
every triangle, this will remain the same. This r will remain the same. Now we have each and everything.
Okay.
Now you will have to decide about that. Or if we are considering this triangle, what I mean to say this one. Okay. So
Okay.
here x is what I mean to say x uh, x what I mean to say x is positive. X is
Okay. Positive. Yeah.
positive. And what about the y? Y
Y is
is,
also positive.
oh yes, absolutely right. Y is positive in this way. Look at this. The y is positive. Okay. X and y both are positive.
Okay.
Or here, x is
It's negative.
negative. X is negative. And what about the y?
Y is positive.
Y is positive. And over here, x is
X is negative. Oh, sorry. Yeah, X is negative, and then Y is also negative.
y is also negative. Or here, x is
Negative.
negative,
Oh wait, no. X is positive here. Never mind.
positive. Okay. Anyhow, and what about the y?
Y is negative here.
Okay, anything. So this is all about that. So we have now a very good drawing over there. All that is written in the pictorial way. So if we are looking at this, so this is positive and this is negative. This y is negative. Am I right? This y is
Right.
negative. And over here, both the x and y are negative. What I mean to say that these are the negative over here. And here, the y is negative, x is also negative. In this triangle, r will remain positive anywhere because it's a radius. So radius cannot be negative. So we will have to about this one. Okay. So if you have
Okay.
this diagram with you, So now coming to the question, long awaited. I'm just going to write this statement that we should write over here. That
Okay.
Tangent theta, tangent x. Now theta is angle is replaced as x is equal to minus 7 or 24 minus
Okay.
7
7
over
over 24.
24. Note down this. And the other information is given, that is the x, the angle, that is the
Okay.
x is, that is the angle, x is less, so x is less, I should put the hyphen, less than, x is less than 2 pi, what I mean to say 360, 2 pi is 360 degree, and the other condition is that x is greater than 270. 3 pi by 2 mean 270. Are you getting this?
270, okay.
270.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is now this is the question. Now what you will have to find out, what is sine x? The only question is that sine x is equal to the question mark. This is all about the question. So please solve this now.
Okay. Sine.
This is the only question. You have the diagram over here. From here, you will have to find the sine x.
Right.
First of all, you will have to say in which quadrant this triangle will be, where the tangent is
Oh,
negative
okay.
7 or 24.
Well, if it's less than 360 and x is greater than 270, it's in quadrant 4.
Yes.
And so the sine. So since it's a sine of x, that would mean that it's, what is that? Is that the opposite over the hypotenuse?
Yes.
And then if tangent is 7 over 24, we have to use what's it called again? The Pythagorean
No,
theorem
my question
to
is
get.
that my first question is that in which quadrant you will have to deal. In
Oh,
which quadrant?
that's in quadrant 4. That's what I said,
Okay,
right?
absolutely right. Now that's why we can say that this is your what I mean to say. Look at this. I'm just going to change the color just to magnify this one. So this is let's see, the soft color is this. Okay, anyhow. So this is your triangle. Am I right?
Yeah.
This is the what we can say, the triangle we are dealing for that. In this triangle, this data is given.
Right. Yeah.
So first you have decided that which triangle you are going to deal with.
Yeah.
If this triangle is given and if I am just going to magnify it over here. Look at this. So this is your theta. Okay. In this triangle,
Okay.
this is the triangle. This is coming over here. What I mean to say, this triangle is coming over here. So tangent is given, tangent theta. So where is the minus 7 and 24? Tangent is what? In this triangle, in this triangle. Look at this.
Right. Yeah.
Tangent.
So the -7 is
First you should say that
y.
tangent is opposite to the adjacent. So which side is opposite? Where is
Opposite
opposite?
is y, and then
Y.
the
Okay, Y.
adjacent is
So if
x.
you're just going to say this is Y and this is over your X, this is R. Okay, am I right?
Okay. Yep.
So we are just writing this triangle. So X is what, Y is what, and R is what? What are the values?
Okay. So x is well, x is 24, and
Oh, yes,
then y
absolutely right.
is 7
Now you are getting to the
or
point.
-7.
You are getting to
Yeah.
the point. This is -7. And can we
But wait,
calculate
can't there be a negative length? I don't think there can be a negative length, right?
-7? It's a
I know, but would that just mean the length of
no,
the
length.
side is 7?
It's a not length. It's a position of the
Oh,
point because we are dealing with this
oh,
one.
okay.
It's a position where we will have to take the x positive or negative. This is with reference to this x-axis I have drawn. That's why I have drawn this much drawing for you.
Okay.
You can see that if we are in the fourth quadrant, we will have to take the value of y as a negative because in anywhere this x y point, if you are just tracing any point in the fourth quadrant, so you will have to take x positive and y negative. This is all about that in front of you. Then asking this, that why the length is negative. Don't think about that. Just this is the location of the point.
Okay.
So that's why we are putting y is -7 because we are talking about the, not talking about the length, we are talking about the locations of the points. Okay. So y is
Okay.
-7. So what is R?
R.
Oh, yes.
Well, what we need to do the what's it called? The
Pythagoras,
Pythagoras.
Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem.
Yeah, Pythagoras theorem.
So make use of that. Now you
Okay.
must have the
So
calculator with you also.
yeah, I have one on my phone right now. My other
Okay.
calculator is in my sister's room.
Okay, anyhow. So you will have to calculate R because you will have
It's
to get the value of sine x, and sine x is the opposite to the hypotenuse. Am I right? So how
right. Yeah.
to R. So you are looking for the sine. SOH. Sine is opposite to the hypotenuse. So you have the opposite side, that is -7, and you must have the h, the hypotenuse.
Right.
So you're looking for only one value in this problem.
Is it 25? That's what I got. 25.
Yes, it's right. Absolutely right. So R is 25. Now each and everything is there. Now you, from this information, I can get all 6 ratios, and you will have to get only one, that is sine. So what is that?
Sine. Okay, so sine means so that means opposite over hypotenuse, which
Yeah.
is opposite is y. That's 24
Turn up,
over 25.
yeah, look at this. Your opposite is 24. Why
Oh
is
no, opposite is -7.
7 over
7 over 25.
7 over 25? If you are just at randomly, if you are looking for the cot of this x, so what is that? Cot.
The cot is 1 over what is that? 1 over that's is that 24, sorry, 25 over 7?
The cot is what? Cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent. And why you are in tangent, there is no
Oh,
hypotenuse.
25. Okay, so
So
it's
that's
25
what
over
TOA.
20.
So kato. Ah,
So is it 20? Wait, so it's 1 over 1 divided by tangent, which is 1 divided by -7 over 24, which turns into what, 24 over 7?
so you are not looking at this triangle. If you are focusing on this, so you can get the answer without any calculation. Ask me. Now it's your turn to ask me out of any six. I will tell you within the second without any calculation. Look at this. Please
All right.
ask. Please ask.
What's the cosecant or
Cosecant
what's
of
the
theta. Okay,
cosecant?
cosecant of theta.
Yeah.
So cosecant of theta is 24 over minus 24 over 25. Am I right?
Let me see. Yeah, you're right.
And ask any more.
Wait. Yeah. Let's
Ask.
do just secant. Uh.
Secant. Secant is 25 or 24.
Oh, okay.
Am I right?
Yeah.
Ask any more. Any other? Any other? I am not making the
Um.
calculation. I'm looking. I am focusing myself to the diagram. This diagram. Ask any
Okay.
other.
So
Ask
let's
any other.
just do let's just do tangent. Just to.
Tangent. Tangent is minus 7 over 24. That is
All
also
right.
given. Why you are asking the given thing?
I'm just saying. Maybe I could
Oh.
confuse you. Maybe.
So how
It's
I
already
can be
there. You overthink.
how I can be confused that things are written over there?
I don't know. I was just making sure.
Okay. If I am asking what is the cosecant of x, cosecant of theta. What is cosecant of
Cosecant is uh R. Wait, what's the value of R? Isn't it 25 over 24?
cosecant? Cosecant. That is the reciprocal of sine.
Oh wait, are you talking about cosine? Oh,
Cosecant. That is the
wait,
reciprocal of
what?
sine. That is the reciprocal of
Yeah,
sine.
isn't that 25 over 24?
Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. You have just calculated the sine over here. That is minus 7 over 25. Am I right? So
Right.
just reciprocal of this is the cosecant. Am I right?
Oh my. Oh,
Oh my God.
I don't know what I'm doing right now. It's
It's just you will have to focus on this. Everything is written over here. This is the trier map.
yeah.
Why you
I
not
keep trying to
focusing
like
on?
remember it instead of looking at
Okay,
the
okay.
thing.
No need to remember that. That is automatically, if you are just focusing at that, that sign is this, just invert that. The candle root, invert the candle. So you will get the answer. Anyhow,
Okay.
what we can say that this much has been done. A lot of things we are just talking about that. So if you have understood this, what I mean to say, this diagram, these quadrants, these position of the angles, the about the x-axis, about the points, about the angles, each and everything is written in this diagram. So you can solve many more questions. So tomorrow we will start the next test, the test number
Okay.
2 of this ACT. So there are so simple problem. So anyhow, please, I will send all these slides of all the trigonometric ratios lessons. Please go through all those slides.
Yeah, I
Just
will.
make sure of time that will definitely yield the better, the best result. Because each and everything we are talking about, that each and everything we have the slides, we have the recap videos. I am sending, I will send also the slides. So you must have to go through and just make the best of your time. What I mean to say, that what we are inputting, so we must have the equivalent output, and input
Right. Yeah.
is in my hands, but output definitely you will have to do. I cannot do anything for
Yeah.
that. So you will have to be the equal, the active partner of all this learning process. So please do each and everything as directed. Anyhow, so thank you very much. It's a time to say Allah Hafiz. So
All
if any
right.
query, any quest, anything you can ask, most welcome. You just text a message on WhatsApp. We will read it and we will do each and everything for you. If you are not getting anything, so it's a no harm. So we are just this much friendly that you can ask 101 question about anything at any time. Okay.
Okay.
It's not a limiting time that you are not asking this time. You can ask at any
Right.
time. You just text the message. We will read that and we will come out the solution in the best possible way. Anyhow, thank you very much. Take care.
All right. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.